Good morning. It's the 19th of October. Our market did a retracement this morning to the deeps, to the 76, came back up to the 23, and now it's heading down. Very symmetrical behavior. We hope that continues for today so we can take advantage of a trade. Watching for a setup. We had a pretty nice V on the 377, strong V on the 610 on this last pivot. Now we didn't quite get down to the 76. Maybe we will. There's a 76 on the smaller fib setup. Coming up close above 50. Look at this 987 chart. Isn't that an ugly thing? I don't think its mother would love it. 1597 is not doing too much better. 10K shown we still have an uptrend. Keltner on the 144 is a gentle wave sideways. Okay, we're close above the 50. That means we can go down to the deeps and then reverse. But we're sort of getting into a little wedge here. We reached the 61, close below. We come back down to 76, we may have a reversal. $41.81 is strong on the rail down. And we're also coming back down to this major fib, this 23, and we may bounce off of that again. You can see that we've been going sideways pretty much since yesterday noon. Here we had a bounce off the mid-band Keltner, and now we pop below. Got good separation on 233. Looks like everybody's separating pretty well. Could have a long coming. 41.81 is still on a rail, so it could be more down. Okay, sure enough, that could have been long for at least a point. More like half a point. We're getting a foot forming on 144. Good separation here, all the way around. Except when we get to the 4181. So look out below. Okay, the foot came to the top Bollinger Band. That could be as far as it runs. Could have a mid-band push here. Looks like we've got divergence. General trend is down according to 4181.
610 change up.
610 has a weak V on the upside now. The doji. This is tempting here, but we still are up on 144 BBs. There we go. Okay, we close above the 50 on this fib setup. Could have a head and shoulders forming for short. There's a double top. Still got a fair amount of up indication. Did come to this double pinch here. These guys are still below their center lines and Bollinger Bands. So we probably got some more up coming here. Got kind of a foot, an ugly foot on 1597. And turned out we were right, more up. Might get up to the 23. Got kind of a channel going here. We'll take a pause till we get it set up. Okay, we're approaching our 23 fib. We almost touched it. Looks like a 2-bar reversal, but I don't trust it. Got pretty strong up on the small charts. More up until we get to 4181, and even it's curling from underneath. Kind of a strong up indication on 41 on the 10K. So we are going up. Still looking for more up. This was a good trade down here. Came back down and touched the 50. Got a lot of standard behavior here. We should be able to jump in here. We'll take a pause till we see a setup. Now we're approaching the 76 fib. Getting separation underneath on 144. 233 strong on the rail. Been bouncing back and forth between these two major fibs. Begs me to ask the question of myself, what are you waiting for? An engraved invitation? Okay, here we go. Got a lot of strong down indication. Looking for a head fake, and maybe that's the problem. Looking for a head fake and there's none.
$6.10 change up.
Look at them apples. Unbelievable. It's just unnerving. How could things be so straightforward? 1, 2, 3, 4 pivots and 5 pivots in a row. At least you had a head fake back here. A pull back, actually below. Up. Bingo, bingo, bingo. I mean, it doesn't get cleaner than that. Why am I not trading? We'll wait for a setup. Okay, this time we went to the deeps. That is the 89. Let's try trend line here. Volumes have gotten a little bit low, so it doesn't make it attractive for trading. Okay, we broke through the trend line. Then up to mid-band. Could have a mid-band push opportunity. Opportunities are most likely going to be short here. Still got that 41.81 showing a persistent downtrend. $610 may be reversing. Got a lot of ugly indicators today. That 987 looks like a drunk was taking target practice. Okay, we're up to the mid-band.
610 change up.
Okay, got a pretty strong V on the 610. I'm not sure how much that means though. Well, guess it means more up. There she blows. Good old faithful 610. And now we're back above the 50. You may have heard the audible there. I've got a strategy running that will tell me when 610 reverses. Maybe I better listen to it. Oh boy. Wow, had a tremendous up volume on those last couple bars. I wonder what happened. It is 9 o'clock. Don't see any news for 9 o'clock. Something happened.
610 changed out.
Okay, we come back down, tap 76. $610 could be coming down to form a foot. At 41.81 continues its downward move. Okay, we're down to a double bottom. A little bit beyond, actually. Coming down to the 100 fib. There's a potential reversal point. The 610 foot looks like it's not working out. should have an up move if 10K has anything to say about it. Look at the bull flag on it. Looks like we're showing respect for that trend line. Look how amazing it is. We keep bouncing near this 23 fib. Coming to this trend line, maybe that'll do something for us. I'm going to pause until we get in some action here. Okay, 610 looks like he's coming from underneath. Could have a reverse midband. Could have a midband push right here.
Order pending.
I don't like that. I'm kind of late.
Order filled.
But I'm in. Wow. Look at that.
Stop filled.
Look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. That's a lot of fun, isn't it? The reverse midband push got in late. It took me out. The habit I notice I'm in is I don't get out of any trades between, say, 1 point and negative 7 ticks. I don't do that. So I think that's a problem. Okay, we got kind of a wedge going here. Low volume. I'm going to pause until we see a setup.
Order pending. Order filled.
Okay, I saw a reverse midband push and expect to get to this top here. Got a strong V underneath 610. Okay, we're stalled out. Oh, now moving higher. coming to the top. All right. Let's see us move up a few more. Get separation on 144. Got a double top form. That's not too comforting. All right, we've broken up and through. I'm gonna move my stop so I don't lose anything. Almost to our double top. Okay, we moved above that. Let's lock in a little more profit. Still got strong up. And all of our indicators except 4181. So hang in there. Okay, we're moving up. Let's lock in a little more profit. Okay. Got a three bar there. Sliding bar that's setting more up. Strong up on the short charts, small charts.
Stop filled.
All right. Lost about 7 ticks on of opportunity. But let's see how we're doing. Shouldn't take my eye off the ball really, but not sure why that's taking so long. Okay, we're still down a little bit. Let's see, I think yeah, we got to the 23 fib on that, so that probably should have been our target. We got another 7 ticks out of that. But it was fun while it lasted. Okay, we're back up to that 76 fib point. Rather, back up to the 23 fib point here. What do we see in our charts? There's a strong up 233, kind of a bounce on 377, so it should have more up 6/10 coming to mid band, so there could be resistance pretty soon there. Still showing down on that 4181. Wow, unbelievable. So a short could be in order. Like we may have had a pullback here. I think there's still up momentum, but that might not last too much longer. The 1597 It's got kind of an ugly foot going on here, but with the bands that narrow, the upside shouldn't be too strong. 4181 has been a gentle down, and basically we're still in this little channel here. I guess we should draw it like that. Been in that baby for a long time now. And I mean, that's okay. If I would have picked up that suspicious looking pullback, it might have worked out. We talked about it. Maybe I was talking too much. I think doing the videos helps. Sometimes you're talking when you should just be looking. Okay, let's create a prediction here. We've got 4181 on a gentle down. Right now, this morning, we've seen more of a gentle sideways. And that's my read on it. So I guess we've got divergence going on here. Looking for things to go south. So I think at my next good opportunity, we should do that. Now 610's come to the center line. Come down below this 50, tapping 50, coming up. Might have a short opportunity coming here. We've got a double top coming up, maybe. Let's look for a bar setup. Got kind of a foot going on with 233. We're inside the rail. That's weak on 377. Got some separation. Coming to a pinch here on 1597, still looking down. That could be a bull flag. I guess we're in forming another channel here. So the sideways is a little bit unnerving. Could have a trend line here. Some kind of line. Okay, we're going back up. See if we reach 23 for another reversal like this one. Wouldn't that be sweet? All right, here we go. We're getting this elongated bulge. Lots of separation now on the mid-sized charts. Oh, hey, even shows up on 4181. I wouldn't put too much faith in that. Got a lot of strong upward pressure now. See how long it lasts. People are buying their stocks. That's a good sign. If you're a stockholder. If you've been out since May, hey, hey, hey. Alright, got a double top here. Wrong direction on the BBs though, so did have a breakout, retracement. In theory, that thing's going to go up this far. Trend line supports it. See a little curving around now. 233 taking off. A lot of separation on these guys. Coming to that resistance at 1597. Still showing down gently. 4181. So you could have a reverse change in direction here. Either that or this is the retracement from the breakout here, and it's going to go up to here. This foot is forming on 144. Looks like a short opportunity.
Order pending.
Can get filled.
Order canceled.
That 610 doesn't have me convinced. Now we're back on this trend bar, maybe coming back up, going all the way to the 23 fib. Okay, it's 9:21. We got 9 minutes left in my trading hour. Let's see what happens here. Definitely got some sideways action. Could look at this as a shoulder, head shoulder arrangement. Breaking through on the 144. 377 looks like you may want to join 233 on a short, and now 610 may be chiming in. So this could be our baby. Could be our shoulder, head, shoulder, and if it's a high shoulder, that means long drop, so that would be cool. You caught it? Yeah, I think we're looking pretty sweet here. Oh, 610. Had a down BB, but then price jumped up. Ay, ay, ay. Looks like we're respecting this trend line. Coming up to about a deep retracement on this little swing. This 233 wants to go down. It wants to. We've got too much upward momentum, and hallelujah, let's raise those stock prices. Okay, so we're at a double top. Just struck it. Could have a foot forming here on 233. It was mentioned that TF feet are not real high probability indicators lately.
610 change up.
Okay, we're moving up. Now we're tapping on that, what will be a triple top now. Approaching the 89 or 11 deep depending on which side of the golf ball you stand. You got a real opportunity for a foot shape here. Lots of separation, 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 separation. 4181 could be turning up. I say could because it looked like that before. BD ended up down on the rail. So there's your triple top. That's a pretty strong indicator of changing direction, triple tops. So we may go for one here. Up, you know. Now we got 144 on the rail. Go, go, go. I'm going to pause it until there's a step. Okay, we got a baby bar on 144. That looks like a good sell opportunity with a sort of triple top up here at the 89 or 11 fib. Still got pretty strong up indicators, but there's lots of separation. So okay, now we're popping above that. All right, so we're inching our way up, approaching 710, which is a good number for us stockholders. And coming up to the top of the day here. See if we break through the top of the day. Okay, we got another minute to go. I doubt we'll have a trade, but let's see. We got a double top here. Everything's still strong. Up. The stocks are ticking up. There's a triple top now. The market's playing with our minds now at this top of the day, recognizing it. Will it pop through, or will it stay, or will it move down? Now I've been dancing on the 89 fib, doing a little can. Or is that river dancing? I'm not sure. Looks like our upward trend's losing a little momentum. Look at that, 4 taps on that 89 fib. You remember that old song, knock 3 times? Well, this is 4 times. Okay, and we're busted through, so it could be up for a short here. Or that's a head fake. Or that's a recognition of that trend bar, that trend line. Getting a pretty nice bulge on 377. We've already curled over and down on 233. We could have a short here. I'm going to wait this one out. I think we're going to stay in plus territory. There's too much upward momentum in the mid-size charts. So we're going to call it a day. Had a small loss. That's an improvement over my recent days, and we'll look to do better tomorrow. See you then. Got my trades for today again. My first one was an 8-tick stop out gift. My second one was 7 ticks profit on a long. See you tomorrow.